This is Geeta from St. Thomas IIT School, Andhra district. Today I come here to tell about the importance of mathematics in day-to-day life, present, past and future days. There is a lot of necessity to teach mathematics, which is a reflection of human civilization. Mathematics has a unique language, special methods and appropriate apparatus. It is embodiment of science related to statistics, weights and measures. Mathematics has the potential to convert problems related to nature and everyday life into mathematical models and provide them a commensurate solution. Actually, mathematics has originated from the Greek words mathein, it means to learn, while techne means in a simple manner. That means to learn mathematics in a simple manner. Theoretical mathematics and its application of the real world are the two sides of the same coin. Of all the creatures that exist life on the earth, man is the only creature who is endowed the capacity to express his feelings through speech. With that, he is able to succeed what he chooses. If you put maths to optimum use, we can enhance exactness, predictability and speed. Mathematics is very important to an individual life after his mother tongue. An individual can survive without knowing reading or writing, but if he lacks basic arithmetic ability, life becomes very difficult for him to survive. To succeed in every field, mathematics is essential. A wage earner can count his wages without the counting ability. Similarly, a businessman can know whether he occurred loss or gain in his business. A tailor also can't stitch a cloth without proper measurements, which is also a manifestation of mathematics. Similarly, neither a homemaker nor a finance minister of a country can make their respective budget without seeking the assistance of the mathematics. Nature is also a manifestation of the mathematics. We can say in other words that nature is also a reflection of mathematics. There is a symmetry in a nature, whether to be 7 notes of music, rainbow or dancing peacock are all the aspects which are related to the symmetry in a nature. If you put maths to optimum, you can enhance exactness, predictability and speed. Even in intellectual in Egypt creates weights and measures based on mathematics. Even in the construction of pyramids, solar calendar, the Egyptians used only mathematics. In all subjects are based on mathematics. There is a close affinity between physics and mathematics. The chapters in physics like dynamics, kinetics can be understood only with the help of the mathematics. The other chapters in maths like calculus and coordinate geometry have boosted our understanding of physics. Similarly, in chemistry, Boyle's law, periodic law, etc. We will say H2O means 2 atoms of hydrogen, 1 atom of oxygen. In that also we are using maths to find the pH value. Also we will use logarithms. That logarithms also related to the mathematics itself. Similarly, in biology also to count heartbeat, the temperature of the body, the applications of pesticides which are used by the farmers are all the aspects which are related to the mathematics. From now I conclude that to put in a nutshell, you can say without any hesitation that mathematics has lived and will continue to live only if there is active usage of mathematics. We can't conserve of a day where we can't put mathematics into use. Mathematics is present, past and future of the mankind. So please practice maths and be successful in your life. Thank you for giving me this golden opportunity.